Hey, just going for one of my walks, trying to avoid all that mud. Got my little beads. They're good, these little beads, actually. Like, if you don't know what they are and what people are doing when they use them, it looks just a bit nuts. So, no offense. But these little mala beads are really, it goes pretty deep, and it's pretty cool, because even if you're not into mantras or deities or any of that sort of stuff, any of that hippie tripe, you can really use them for other things too. So one thing I love to use them for is for affirmations. And the thing about affirmations is it's a way we can literally reprogram ourselves for whatever we need. So if you're feeling a bit low and a bit down and just a bit like, or someone's upset you, or well, literally anything, however you're feeling, if you're just feeling a bit low and a bit crap, you can repeat an affirmation like, I love you. And that I love you could be, I love you yourself. Just I love you. Like, whatever's going on, I love you. Right? And change hands. And that's how you do it. You repeat this, I love you over again. How about thank you? Thank you is gratitude. I know, bang on about this stuff a lot if you watch these videos. Actually, no, that looks a bit like a prison, doesn't it? You want the trees. That's what you want. And I bang on about it a lot because it's so powerful. It's like ridiculously powerful in the sense that if you repeat to yourself love and essentially gratitude over and over again, you're just feeding it into your mind. That's what is going to overtake the dialogue of your mind. So if you're saying, I love you, thank you, I love you, thank you. If your name's Kevin, right? You know what you're saying? All right, Kev, I just need to sort this out. I'm feeling a bit crap. I love you, Kev. Thank you, Kev. I love you, thank you. Sally, whatever your name is, you get the point. You're just tuning into yourself and you're repeating this, and you're almost, it's the repetition of 6 words. I love you, thank you. 5 words. It's a repetition of 5 words over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. And what that's going to do is it's going to blast out any thoughts of the past, which could be memories of what someone said to you or something like that, or something that happened, or it could blast out thoughts of the future, or the potential insecurities, or things that make you go, oh, I don't know how it's going to work out, or what happens if, and is she going to do that, or what happens if he says no, or whatever. Thoughts of the future doesn't exist, but we play them over and over and over and over and over again. I don't remember that lesson at school. Do you? Do you remember the lesson at school where they taught us about what our brains do? Yeah, you might do psychology later on, but we never got taught about this past, future, mind concept. Not even a concept, well, it's a concept, but it's just reality. It's just how we all have this inner dialogue constantly going through our minds. So an affirmation can help you blast out that past and future thinking by programming you to be right here, right now, just repeating, I love you, thank you, I love you, thank you, over and over again. And it'll blast you into the present moment where it feels more peaceful, and it's free from the future, and it's free from the past. And what I'm doing right now is I'm tuning into you. I'm tuning into just being here with you and not thinking about all the things I was saying or what I was going to say. Just tuning in right now. Like in a conversation, yeah, when you're having a chat, you're back and forth. So back to the beads. With these beads, you grab them, and what you do is you say, I love you, thank you, I love you, thank you. And you might see people in different cultures doing this, and all they might be doing is saying a mantra and repeating it over and over again. And what that does for those people, that was meant to be a wink, is it programs these similar things, love and gratitude. It might be an energy, or we can get deep into that if we connect. But ultimately, use these things, use these tools to stay present as much as possible. Why do we want to stay present? What's with all the present stuff? Why can't I be jumping between the past? You can do what you want. You can do whatever you want. All I know is that the more often I tune into the present moment, the clearer everything gets. Everything's relaxed, everything's calm, everything's easy to figure out, understand, relate to. It's just easier because you're not full of all the noise of the future and the past. And I keep banging on about it. I'm going to keep doing it even more until I get those thumbs up, or those heart love things, or those comments saying, yeah, I know what you mean, I get it, I've been doing it, it works, and it's been helping me, it's been really helping me, I've been telling other people about it. So keep me posted. Tell me about your journey, tell me about your story and your transition from this past, present monkey mind to being here right now